Hey everyone, it's Julian. I hope you're doing wonderfully. Today, we are getting into day 10. We're in double digits now of me documenting my journey, learning how to program, and eventually becoming a mobile developer. It is Sunday, February 27th at 17 a.m. Let's get into it. So if this is your first time watching this vlog, as per usual, I'm going to be going through the Ultimate Portfolio app course on the Hacking with Swift website. I'm going to take a couple lessons on that today. In that course, Paul, who's the teacher, is basically walking you through developing an app for tracking your progress, learning a skill, be it guitar, exercising more, blah, 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 blah. And you basically create projects within the app. The user creates projects within the app, and each of those projects is whatever skill you want to learn. And then you have items that pertain to those projects. So for example, if you wanted to exercise more, one of those items for your exercise more project would say, go for a mile run today, go buy running shoes, all those kinds of things that you might want to do if that's what you're trying to do. So I'm going to start one of those lessons now. I'll probably go through 3 or so today, and we'll take it from there. So here we are in our awards view. We have a couple new properties for storing the award that was selected and for showing whether or not the alert is being displayed. And then down here we have our alert modifier, which is telling SwiftUI when to show the alert basically. And we're showing different alerts based on whether or not the award has been earned. So we also, as a result of that, that means we also have a method in our data controller that's new called hasEarned, which takes in an award and returns a Boolean based on whether or not that award has been earned. So we can go down here and look at all this stuff to determine whether or not the award has been earned, and then that will help us determine which alert should be shown on the awards page. Hopefully that makes sense. But anyway, we also have this page, which is basically everything that I just explained to you in practice. This is the awards tab down here. If you go here, you'll find that. And then we have different awards. So anything in color is something that we've earned. So for example, unlocked, moving on up, add 20 items. So it's unlocked, which means that it's colored, and this one's not unlocked. So it's not colored, and we have locked, add 500 items. We haven't completed that one yet, which is why it's locked. Let's keep going. So I just finished another section. This one was about making our home view have a little bit more added functionality. Let's check it out. So previously, when we had our home view, and by home view I mean the tab at the bottom left corner here when you click the home tab as opposed to open, closed, or awards, we would just have a button in the middle of the screen that said add whatever, add data, and that was basically just for adding test data so that we could make sure this stuff is working. But now we actually have a real view, as you can see, and within this view we are showing all of our projects. This is scrollable, so if there were more projects we would see them going off the edge of the screen here and we'd be able to scroll them. And then we also have our highest priority items, the top 3, and then we also have the last 7 down here. And there were quite a few things that got incorporated into this lesson that made this possible, such as new fetch request stuff, all that kind of jazz of making custom layouts, and some of it I have to experiment with on my own to make sure I really understand. But the basic gist of it was we have a few different fetch requests going on here to make sure that we can only show the first 3 highest priority items in our app, and also the other 7, and all that kind of stuff. Honestly, there's definitely some of it I don't understand. This is quite a bit of new code here, so I really have to fish through it and play around with it for a little bit to make sure I get it. But that's the gist, and I think this looks like it's coming together nicely. It's a very nice little layout. Anyway, I've been going for about 2 hours now, so what I'm gonna do is take a break by going to run some errands. I gotta do some grocery shopping, and I gotta get a couple new hard drives because I need more storage for these videos and for the clips for these videos. So I gotta get another drive to edit off of, and I'm gonna get just one big hard drive that can store all of these vlogs and all of the videos I've done in the past. I've been doing YouTube for a long time, so it would be really nice to have one centralized hard drive that has all of the videos I've ever done. So I'm gonna finally make that happen. And instead of editing the vlog here, instead of ending the vlog here, and instead of why do I keep saying editing? What is my fucking problem? Okay. And instead of ending the vlog here, I think what I'm gonna do is take you guys along with me, switch it up a little bit, and I'll talk about what I got, and then that'll probably be that.